Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 25th of August till the 31st of August. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Okay, so let's start. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, Scorpio. If this is not resonating, honey, this is not your reading. Okay, let's start. Let's see the mutual energies for the connection from both the sides, Scorpio. We have the Five of Wands, the Hanged Man, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, there's a lot of chaos, conflict, and drama going on in the situation. Maybe not physically, maybe not like in the outside world. Things are stagnant, things are not moving forward, and kind of both of you are relying on the universe to make things happen. Maybe even like let it evolve properly or let it dissolve properly. So nobody is looking at the drama, nobody is looking at the conflict. There are other people, other energies involved in the situation that is making this situation more chaotic and conflicting than it is already. Okay, and I think both of you are in the surrender mode right now because surrender mode right now because both of you are not able to understand how to tackle this chaos, how to tackle this conflict. At least one of you is not participating in resolving the issue here. That's why the other person is kind of have to force themselves to surrender, to just stay still and just wait for the right time to turn the energies in their favor, turn the tables in their favor at some point of time. It's like a typical situation of only time will decide, only destiny will decide, because one of you is not able to participate in the situation to sort it out. The other person literally have to force themselves to stand still and wait for the right time, right action, right direction, right situation, or something like that. So it's kind of a situation being stuck in a limbo. Nothing is moving ahead, nothing is happening, nothing much is happening in the situation because again there's lack of equal participation in the situation from both the sides. Let's see, Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. Okay. We have the Four of Swords. So this person is feeling like they should detach themselves and they should heal themselves. There is some kind of painful energies that they're experiencing, and then they should take a break and heal themselves properly and then move forward in this direction. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Eight of Wands, the Hermit, and the Seven of Pentacles. This person is definitely feeling like even if they are going to talk to you, even if they are going to come forward for communication, this face-to-face communication and sorting it out with you, things are not going to maybe work out, or they should think a lot before like coming forward towards you. They feel like re-evaluating the situation from a distance, taking a step back and understanding each and everything that they did in the situation, understanding each and everything that you did in the situation. They feel like holding back this urge or desire to connect with you until unless they are fully ready, and or both of you are fully ready to talk about it properly and honestly. Okay, that's actually a very mature and wise kind of thing that they are trying to do here. I don't know if it's working out or not. Yeah. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Two of Wands. So from your side, you feel like you have a choice. You are kind of putting a situation on hold deliberately, and or you feel like you should put a situation on hold and move towards something else, someone else, meanwhile simultaneously waiting for a situation to work out, some situation to work out. So it's basically feeling like deliberately putting something or someone on hold, meanwhile moving towards something else, someone else. Okay, and waiting for the results of the path that you're choosing. Let me clarify the Two of Wands. Okay, Scorpio. We have the Ten of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Cups. Yes, you feel like this is very heavy and burdensome kind of energy in this collaboration partnership. So you should give chance to something else, someone else that feels like close to home, close to your heart and soul, that feels like this can give you something really meaningful and good. So one collaboration partnership is kind of making you feel like very burdensome and heavy. So you feel like letting it go, or at least trying to drop it or think about it later on. Meanwhile, heading towards something that's really, really meaningful to you on a soul level, and feeling good about it. Like, okay, this can help me to move forward. Nice. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Scorpio? Seven of Pentacles. It's like, again, this person wants to take a step back and reevaluate the situation, reevaluate each and everything in the situation, basically in their love and relationship area, including this situation too, so that they can figure out what's wrong. You know, maybe they want to identify the pattern here, maybe they want to identify their own wrongdoings here, but they want to reevaluate it properly and wait and watch. Yep. Meanwhile, simultaneously, before taking any kind of risk in this love and relationship game again, they want to take a break. Wow. So this person wants to keep an eye on you from a distance in whatever way possible from their side. Okay. Meanwhile, waiting for the right time to open up their heart again in this love and relationship department, because right now they don't think they are ready to do that, not with you, not with anyone. Okay, maybe they are planning to move forward and not connect with you again, but for that also they need to properly heal themselves and properly evaluate their life and break a cycle, break some kind of loop here. But this person wants to keep a eye on you in some way from a distance. So they want to deliberately keep themselves at a distance from you, keeping an eye on you from a distance, and then they want to think about this love and relationship department after properly evaluating, properly understanding what they should do and what they should not do in this department of their life. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Five of Pentacles. You just want to get out of this feeling of feeling left out in the cold. You just want to recover from the losses. You just want to get out of the victim mode. Okay, Scorpio, and take the charge of your life in your own hands. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles. We have the King of Wands, Death, and the Magician. Yeah, you just want to enjoy your life to the fullest, and you don't want to manifest anything or anyone as of now. You just want to enjoy your life to the fullest as much as you can and get out of this victim mode. Okay, it's like, okay, let me focus on myself, my looks, my job, my career, my passions, my desires. Maybe for some of you, you are interested in casual feelings or casual things only right now, nothing more, nothing serious, or nothing that much heavy. And right now you just want to take a break from manifestation also, like, okay, let me just breathe, let me just focus on myself, let me just be happy, and then when I will be ready, I will manifest or start manifesting again. Okay, let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 31st of August. What could be the possible outcome here for you guys? Five of Wands. Drama. Drama is not leaving you. You might have left the drama. Drama is not leaving you. Let's clarify the Five of Wands here, Scorpio. We have the Nine of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the Two of Wands. You're trying to move on towards calmer water, finding your own happiness, but you're waiting for the drama to be over. Whatever choice, whatever decision you have taken in order to move forward in your life and find your happiness, you are going to be walking on that path, but you will be still looking for the happiness to show up. Because even if you are choosing to go ahead in a direction, the drama is not leaving you. It's an inside conflict, it's an inside feeling. It's like a feeling of chaos, conflict, not being able to understand what you should do and what you should not do. It can be mental drama also, mental chaos also, that's continuously going on in your life. And the more you are trying to just let it go, release it, the more it's coming back to haunt you again and again and again, because you might not be properly releasing some kind of conflicting situation out of your life, out of your system, meanwhile trying to move ahead in other direction, trying to find your happiness. You can't be at peace and happy, you can't be at peace and you can't be happy until unless you are going to resolve what's going on inside of you, Scorpio. And then you are telling me that, okay, I'm in this limbo from a very long time, when I'm going to be happy. Scorpio, right now your problem is that you're relying on other people or other things to make you happy, and you feel like other people are responsible for my happiness. They can make me happy. Only a romantic partner can make me happy. Only these kind of situations can make me happy. Your attachment to this energy of wanting some other things or other situations to make you happy is actually disappointing you again and again and again. And the chaos and the conflict that you are going through from inside, you have to properly deal with it, properly heal it and release it. Then only you will be able to have the proper happiness that you are looking forward to have in your life. That's the matter. So in the outcome, I do see you making a choice of moving forward towards something else, someone else, and trying to figure out where the happiness is. Meanwhile, like carrying a lot of chaotic energies inside of you, conflicting and chaotic kind of energies inside of you. Not a very happy ending. For you, the guidance here is a fool. Yeah, before taking any kind of unnecessary risk or before jumping into any kind of unknown kind of situation from your side, try to understand if it is worth taking the risk or not. I'm not saying you to, think about the worst case scenario and hurt yourself all the time and don't make any kind of, action. Don't take any kind of action or make any kind of choices or decisions. What I'm trying to say here is whatever direction you are choosing to go ahead with, if this is coming out of self love, like, okay, I am ready, I am full of love with myself, and if I'm going to find somebody to share my life with, good. If not, very good, I'm happy alone, right? If this is your attitude, you can definitely go ahead. But if this is your attitude that the other person should make me happy, and or if other person is going to come in my life, I am going to be happy, that's never going to happen. Okay, nobody can take the responsibility of keeping you happy. Maybe this is coming out of loneliness, boredom, or this feeling of victimhood, that you have to decide the reason of why you are trying to go ahead in a particular direction and what you are trying to achieve from that is very, very important. To know that the why is very important. Once you know the why, then you can move forward or maybe take a step back accordingly, right? Let's pull one more card for you guys from the Romance Angels Oracle card to get a final advice. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. This is already happening. I think that this is not new, but this time apart from your partner or from your person is kind of going to actually help you to figure out what you really, really are looking forward to have in your life. Everything, every stupid thing, every hurtful and painful thing is actually happening with us so that we can come back to ourselves. Everything, I'm telling you. Nobody is a incidents. Anyway, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.